In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Figma design to Lovable. First, open your Figma project. From the top left corner, click on the main menu, then go to Plugins and select Manage Plugins. In the search bar, type builder.io and install the plugin. Once it's installed, open the plugin and click Run. This will load the builder.io options inside Figma. From here, choose the Export option, then select Classic Export. Depending on your design, you can pick the version that works best for your project. When the export is ready, click on Open in Lovable. This will transfer your design directly into Lovable, where you can refine it, add functionality, and eventually publish it as a live app. And that's it. Your Figma design is now connected to Lovable, giving you a smooth workflow from design to deployment. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more Lovable guides.